Gynecomastia, if properly performed by an inexperienced plastic surgeon, does not come back, provided the surgery involves both the steps of liposuction as well as gland excision. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ritesh Anand. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing at La Mida Center for Aesthetic Surgery at Gurugram, India. Today we'll be discussing about gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is a very common problem where there is an abnormal development of breast and where young boys and males develop abnormal large breasts like females. This condition is common in males of all age groups. The goal of gynecomastia treatment is to reduce the breast size in males who feel embarrassed by the large size of their breasts. When we talk about the reason for gynecomastia, it is usually not caused by any serious medical problem and its cause is difficult to determine. Broadly speaking, it may be because of some hormonal imbalances during the puberty or it may be because of the side effect of some drugs. However, the most common cause of gynecomastia is idiopathic. That means there is no known cause for this condition. I see many young boys and males in my OPD who are worried about the cause of their gynecomastia and also they're not sure whether they need treatment for gynecomastia or not. Although gynecomastia is a cosmetic problem, but it has great psychological impact on the overall confidence of the person who is having it. Sometimes the young boys feel so embarrassed because of the gynecomastia that they feel shy to go to the gym or to the swimming. And by undergoing the simple surgery for gynecomastia, they feel so much more confident in their day-to-day interaction with their friends and colleagues. So if you're really feeling self-conscious about your appearances because of the gynecomastia, you should go ahead with the surgery. In majority of cases, gynecomastia is performed in local anesthesia with IV sedation, but in rare cases, it can be performed under general anesthesia. The decision regarding the type of anesthesia is usually taken after discussion with the patient. Gynecomastia is a combination of liposuction and gland excision. The first step of surgery is to remove the excess fat from the breast through liposuction, and the next step is to remove the enlarged gland via small incision in the areola, which is the pigmented portion of your nipple. Worldwide, the treatment of choice for gynecomastia is Vaser, which uses the technology of ultrasound assisted liposuction. Gynecomastia is a minimally invasive surgery. Liposuction of the gynecomastia is done through the 1 or 2 keyhole incisions, which are about 2 to 3 mm in length. And the gland excision is done through a small curved incision in the pigmented portion of your nipple areola region, so that even after the healing, the scar remains hidden. This surgery is a daycare procedure and the individual can return home on the same day. Gynecomastia, if properly performed by an inexperienced plastic surgeon, does not come back, provided the surgery involves both the steps of liposuction as well as gland excision. Patients are encouraged to follow a healthy lifestyle because if one gains too much of weight, the fat around the chest will increase like fat around any other parts of the body. Patient is also advised to wear a contouring vest or a pressure garment for a period of 6 to 8 weeks. Upper body exercises should be resumed only after 6 weeks and driving a car is allowed only after a week. And after the operations, patients are usually advised to come back after 2 days and then on the 7th day.